Hi there, Jason here for the Hagbayon channel and TMS Talks. Let's have a respite from discussing historical elements of the Bikol blades. For we have here items that are fresh from the forge. There. Over here the Wastari, Ginunting, Bikol Ginunting Wastari profile. And we have two versions, smaller version of said blade. There you have the Pinaniki hilt made of water buffalo horn. Water buffalo horn, not wood. It's very difficult to what? It's very difficult to carve the water buffalo horn. While it is very easy to carve the wooden hilt. One mistake, you could cut yourself. You can see the tongue rivet or the so-called barat. You have the bronze ferrule or tikala. Quality materials. Here the smaller version. Let's bring out one with kinolata hilt. Alright, and handguard is made of carabao horn. There. The metal used 5160 carbon steel. 5160 carbon steel. This is almost a ready blade. These are almost ready for use, except that we need to clean them up as well. To polish. These are already sharpened, by the way. These are blade profiles that are that are really from the Bikol Peninsula, Bikol Islands. January 2. These guys got finished. We finished forging them January 2. Next time we have more discussion on blade culture. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Remember that the pen is mightier with a sword. Thank you.